Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about Ecomi. I want to jump straight into the charts today. As you would know, if you're watching Ecomi or you're an Ecomi holder, you would know Ecomi is currently trading at all-time lows as we speak, 3066. I've been warning, I've been calling that this cryptocurrency is going to be going a lot lower. I've been saying you'd want to snap some up at around 3055, way down here. Now, in the short term, as you can see, that bear flag is currently playing out exactly as I predicted in many videos I've made. Now, if we zoom in here into the short term, I just do want to give a quick little update. It has been trading within another bear flag essentially. And I was saying, you know, could we get a little pop up into resistance at 308? Unfortunately, we never did. It went range bound. I was talking about, I think it was somewhere around here, late March, and I was saying we're likely going to sweep the low. And I said either it was going to sweep the low, have a bounce, or, you know, have a double bottom, so a little slightly higher high. And we did have a 15% pump, as I did mention in that video. That was about two weeks, a week or two ago. Now we are currently in another bear flag. Now if you grab your little technical move from this bear flag, so grab a little trend line, connect it to the lows and the high back up here from when it had that correction into the pattern, and you put it over here. In the short term, I would expect price to go down to 3061 or 3062. We'll just round it up, 3062. So in the short term, I would think Ecomi is going to go down another 7.76%, 7.5%. So in the short term, Ecomi could fall 7.5%, 8% or so. Now, I do want to say, yeah, Ecomi, it is looking pretty depressed here. Now, one thing to keep out for, you can see if we do get a bounce from here, what's interesting is have a look at this. So you will have a bullish divergence. So if we do get a sudden pop here in price, that would be because of a bullish divergence. Now, right now, there is no signs, that it's, we could keep trending lower, and then this would invalidate itself if it sweeps the low here at around 23 on the daily RSI. You can also see the momentum here, the stochastic RSI, it is down. It's down in no man's land. It's not fun down here, I've seen other videos of the likes of like Daniel Lee, videos about Ecomi and 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘 and everything. I see the comments, people are depressed, they're, thrown in the towel. I haven't, I've looked into the coin a bit. I do think NFTs will play a future role in cryptocurrencies in years to come. You wouldn't want to allocate too much capital to this project, maybe, 1 to 2%. If you have $100,000 crypto portfolio, allocate $1,000 to $2,000. Just like another coin, I made a video about 𝗕𝗪𝗪𝗪, you'd only want to allocate small amounts of money. So it's all about risk management, people. You only want to allocate so much, and you want to allocate more towards, your blue chip cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum, for example. Now, so yeah, in the short term, still bearish. I do think we're going to be coming down to 3062. But I will just say, yeah, even the MACD is currently flipping negative here, people, as you can see. So yeah, that's another bearish sign. The bears are still well and truly in control. Now in the short term, the levels to watch out for, your first resistance level, I mentioned this in the previous video, but I'll mention it again. 3008, your next area of resistance would be 3086. Now you can see there is a lot of people that have brought and sold. As you can see here, defined by the volume, the VPVR. This tells you where essentially a lot of trading, people have swapped cryptocurrencies, traded hands, they brought, they sold at certain price levels. Now you can see there's a major level. Everyone's average is around this area here. So they bought it around 0.3 cents. yeah, around 0.3% up here. You can also see they brought around 2.7%. So they brought all through this range here and this range right here. So on average, well, essentially everyone would be down on Ecomi right now, except if you brought this cryptocurrency, you know, way back. I did see on CoinGecko you'd currently be up, I think, around 20,000%. So if you brought back in like 2019 or 2020, I'm assuming around the March crash, the COVID lows, you know, you would still be up well and truly, you know, thousands of percent. But for the average Ecomi holder, I see you, I see your comments. You know, to me, if everyone is screaming bearish, they think it's going low. I've seen lots of the comments, people think it's a scam. You know, I would have to do more research into it. When it gets down to the price levels, I'd be willing to dabble and enter into, you know, buy some spot Ecomi. But at the moment, I'm not doing, I'm just letting the technicals of the chart show me. And then when I'm ready to enter into a trade, that's when I would do more research. You know, are they still, you know, releasing NFT projects, for example, as I know that'd be relevant to the project. But I have seen many comments, you know, even on CoinMarketCap, Daniel Lee's videos, like I said, 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘's, many Ecomi people out there that make Ecomi videos and content. I do see the comments, I read, you know, I like to do a bit of research before I make my videos. But anyway, guys, I want to get this video out here. It's still trending lower, like I predicted. You know, my last 3-4 videos about Ecomi, I've been saying this cryptocurrency, the trend is your friend till the end. And that trend is still down. You know, you've had a pretty big bear flag and it's broken down. And now you are currently having a smaller bear flag and that's currently breaking down as we speak. So anyway, guys, I just want to get this video out about Ecomi. You know, I know lots of you holders, all the holders of Ecomi. If you're still keen in the project, I would just dollar cost average in. I would wait for these levels that I've said in the videos. Wait for these levels to hit. You know, if you want a dollar cost average in, dollar cost average in. But anyway, guys, make sure you hit the like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. 𝗕𝗪𝗧𝗕 out. Peace.